At Drive DeVilbiss Healthcare, we take personal responsibility for exceeding our customers' expectations. We are committed to people. Everyone from our staff to the end users and their care providers are supported by our mission to enhance quality of life. Our aim is to nurture the right company culture, where everyone knows what is expected of them, and just as importantly, how to act. The first step in achieving this is through our leadership vision. Through training, rewarding and recognizing the right things, we will develop our people, creating an engaged team who care beyond doing their job. At Drive DeVilbiss Healthcare, we expect all employees to live by the 4 cornerstones that underpin our mission: integrity, intent, capability and results. We all act with respect, loyalty and trust. We hold ourselves accountable for our actions, and when it's not working, we fix it. We listen, challenge, and continuously improve and will be measured by our results. No matter where you are in the business, we all have the same mission and understand what it means to be a Drive DeVilbiss Healthcare employee. We live and breathe our mission and act in a way that creates the culture we want, because we know that it is not just what you do, but how you do it that really matters.